Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something spectacular, a Victorian style sunroom from Hommie. Victorian style sunrooms are all about elegance and sophistication. With their ornate woodwork, large bay windows, and beautiful decorative details, they add a touch of timeless charm to any home. Now, here's what makes Hommie stand out. We offer factory direct customization, meaning you get your dream sunroom tailored to your needs at a fraction of the market price. And with our direct-to-doorstep shipping, you're getting unbeatable value. Installation is super simple. Just hire local workers to set it up, and you're all set. With Hommie, you're not just adding a sunroom, you're creating a stunning space that enhances your home's beauty and worth. Thanks for watching. If you've always dreamed of a Victorian-style sunroom, check out Hommie for the best deals and customization options. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home inspiration.